What's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to invest $1,000 in 2025 for beginners. So, whether you just got your tax return, you got some stimulus money, or you just want to know how to invest, this video is for you. The step-by-step guide that I am going to be showing you guys is the exact strategy that I used when I was starting out. And by the way, if you're new here, I am a self-made millionaire, and on this channel we talk all about investing, making money in the stock market, and building wealth. So, if that sounds interesting, make sure to subscribe. Now let's get right into the video. So when it comes to investing, there are many different ways to do it. But since this is for beginners, I'm going to be sticking with the basics. The first thing that I always tell people to do is open up a Roth IRA. This is because it's one of the easiest accounts to open, and it has amazing tax benefits. The money that you put into your Roth IRA is after-tax dollars. So you owe and get taxed on that money when you put it in. And on top of that, any growth that money makes inside the account is also tax-free. So, the first step is to open up a Roth IRA, and if you need help doing that, you can check out the video in the description which shows you step-by-step on how to do that. Now, once you have that account opened, the next thing that you're going to do is click on Deposit. Now, depending on what brokerage you use, they may ask you to link a bank account or a debit card. So, you'll have to do that so you can transfer the money over. Once you have that done, you're going to type in $1,000 and then click on Transfer. Now, depending on what brokerage you use, it may take 1 to 2 business days for that money to show up in your account. After that, you're going to click on Trade and then Trade Stocks. After that, you're going to type in SPY, and that's an S&P 500 ETF. Basically, this ETF holds a bunch of the biggest companies in the US, and it gives you exposure to the entire market. SPY is one of the most popular ETFs that there is, and it has a very low expense ratio at 0.09%. It also has a 1.47% dividend yield. After you type in SPY, you're going to click on Buy, and since you have $1,000 in your account, I recommend buying around 20 shares of SPY. By doing this, you'll have around $800 left over in your account, and you can either buy more shares of SPY, or you can buy another ETF called VTI. VTI is a Vanguard ETF that holds thousands of different stocks in the US, and it has a very low expense ratio at 0.03%. This ETF is great because it gives you exposure to the entire stock market, and it has a very low cost. By buying VTI, you're getting exposure to small, mid, and large cap companies. So, I recommend buying around 35 shares of VTI by doing this. All of your money will be invested, and you'll be fully diversified. Now, I recommend doing this strategy every single month. So, whether you invest $100 or $1,000, this is the exact strategy that you should be doing. I have a full step-by-step video on my channel showing you guys how to do this. So, check out the video in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.